Here I'm going to show you how to copy a range of characters and hand lettering styles. This is really useful to help you develop your own in the future. So here I'm looking at the banner at the top with the word brioche on here. So I'm starting by writing it, then doing the box around it, then drawing the little tail ends of the banners, and then kind of getting the curve on there to attach it to the main thing on there. So it's really about really breaking down those steps and make it as simple as possible. So you learn first to copy and then to do your own. Here for the characters, I'm starting by putting some outlines for the head, really rough shapes in the right directions. Once I've got those rough shapes, I can start working on the facial features and adding the little detail that make the character, give them a little bit of personality on there. So here you need really, when you draw your characters, to pay attention at the eyes, the side of the eyes, where they position, where the pupil is positioned in the eye, because that just shows you which direction the character is looking at and whether it's a cheeky grin and so on. You can find that the nose and mouth positioning can also change the personality of your character on there. On those drawings here, I'm also using the eyebrows to show the facial expression of my characters on there. So here onto the third one, same, just hair, facial features. Here I've got the eyes a little bit too big, so I'm just coming back and making them a little bit smaller on there. Here I'm copying a dish on there. When you've got a round object, it's really working on making those ellipses just round in the right way. So you don't want to have a flat bottom on your container. You want to have a round bottom on there. So that applies for saucepans, anything that would have a round bottom in real life as well. So here just trying another title on here, stem starting with the structure, then fattening up the letters to make them match that of the model on there. So here I've got a couple more little characters. And I'm really working on the facial expressions on there. As you can see here, this character, second character here, is looking cross, so I've got the eyebrows just right meeting in the middle and the mouth open as a little hole on there. Same on your saucepan, remember the curved edges on there. So here another writing, 3D writing, another good practice on there. So you start with the outline, then get the thickness of the letters, and then get the 3D effect in the background on there. So just most lettering, you start with the straight line letters, showing the space of the letters, and add the thickness around here like I've done with the lasagna on there. So just going to carry on my little characters and try to fill in as many of those as possible. So whether you've got human characters or animal characters, I've got some rabbits on there as well, the principle is going to be the same. You can move onto some slightly fancier writing as well. Once you've copied a few of those, you'll feel more confident starting to create your own, starting to move the characters into different body positions and so on. So try to really work on the facial expression of your characters. Look at the eye and eyebrows, the position of the mouth. What is the mouth doing? Is it open, closed? Is it smiling? Is it a small smile, a big smile? What expression is it conveying on there? And try to think also about the body posture on here. What is the character communicating through its body? So you're trying to use those little characters almost to tell a story in parallel to the main story of your recipe on there.